Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's 3 months since I've done a proper video and since I smashed my pelvis. So yeah, we're well on the way to recovery, thank God, touch wood. And today, for the first time in 3 months, I'm going on a proper trip. So we're back, but not back fully. So just doing the road riding for now. So me and a good friend and business partner of Altitude Adventure Tours is going down to the BMW off-road skills weekend. I think it's in Swansea. Obviously I'm not doing the weekend, I'm just there spectating. So yeah, David has invited me along to spectate. So yeah, give him some moral support, as we should say. He'll be on the new 1300s. So let's have a look at my bike. Yeah, we've got Macarena's old 850 GS. So I did say to Dave I'll pack nice and light, and lo and behold, 24 hours later, I don't think we've packed very light, even though there's not much weight in the bags. So, but we've got the chair, we've got clothes, we've got a towel, always got all the brewing tackle and quilt in there. Yeah, so we'll be rocking and rolling in about an hour's time when Dave gets here.
Of coming undercover, the disadvantage is other people are going to watch.
We've ridden down in 28 degrees
I'm sure
weather,
there won't be any judging.
blistering sun, cracking the flags, got 30 miles here. The fog hit. We've just checked on.
Shall I just? Oh.
And it's pissing it down, or it was. So it's a bit wet under feet. So I'll show you around. And the main tent. Well, yeah, they've actually got a new GSA over there, so can't wait to have a look at that.
Hello, hello. So we have 2 of the off-road skills.
Get near that fire later on.
Let them laugh. I'll let you work out which is which.
To drink and eat.
The legend.
I'm just going to go and try and find where
maybe not
we're camping.
Will be.
Got Mr. Robinson there in front. Some of
you might have
course
seen
here
famously at the Motorcycle Live, riding around the arena last year with no license.
Right.
But he's got a license now.
I'm quite looking forward to seeing what they do.
And Mr. Tony with
I'm just traipsing up here. When I look, it's a bit wet under feet, slippy. I don't think I'll be bringing the bike up because I don't want to run the risk of dropping it on a bad leg. So, see. Oh, that's wet up here. There we go. It's camping. So we're going to get set up. I'll see you in a bit. There he comes, top man. Look at that. Thank you.
Right. I'm going to take a few in here to our...
Are we going to hear them screaming our names?
Got Julian here, he's got a GS 1250, 1200 should I say. The old blue frame one, the rally, mint bike.
Mark dreams about?
Yeah. that was a rough night. So we're just about to make a cup of coffee. What do you make to the event up to now, Dave?
What a load of shite. I mean, fucking living hell.
Yeah, this is our accommodation, and it's not the best. It's like a quagmire, but oh, we're gonna have to make the most of it. As you can see, there is not one bit of sunshine. Yeah, the only bit of sunshine is me.
You're my ray of sunshine.
I'm the ray of sunshine for the weekend. So, on that note, I'm going to make Dave a brew. So, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. See if you can watch Dave falling off, and that'll cheer me up. Guess what this is? Yeah, Dave and his fucking campfire melted his own glove last night, so this is the remnants of it. Well, yes. So yeah, back to the off-road day. Dave's just had the briefing. Apparently the BMW off-road skills weekend isn't on 1300s, isn't off-road, it's on-road, apart from the odd little sections. So yeah, Dave's using his own bike, bit looks of it, and it's going to be quite fun for everyone getting out in a minute, because most people are on road tyres. The bank's like a quagmire, and yeah, as you can imagine, the rest. So I'm going to go and check it out and see how everyone gets on getting out.
That's misfiring. So let's get that other bike out.
I've been watching these boys go round the slalom now for a while on the GS 900, and it's quite intriguing to watch, because you got the smooth lads, you got the lads who think they're really quick and then go balls it up. So we'll see what this lad can do. Nice and smooth, that's the way. Well, keeps it nice and smooth over them bumps. There was a lad a minute ago, he ended up in the bushes. Started off quick. Well, it's getting slippier out there, even though we've not got any rain, it's getting really slippy and slick. You can see the times altering. Done alright. He's made it round in one piece, that's the main thing. Hopefully he's enjoyed it. Yeah, it just makes me want to have a go, but damn. Damn. I've come off. That for me, back to square one. So it looks good fun. That's the main thing. They're all enjoying themselves, but it's proper slick out there. Have you done this yet?
Yeah.
Once or twice?
Once. Yeah.
That's good, that's good round.
Nice to see it's just as slick as it is.
Well, it's Sunday and that's the weekend pretty much done. I'm just going to show you, look at the state of this. It's just like a quagmire. This is where we're camping down here, and we got back. I actually did the Brecons route with David and stuff yesterday, road only, and I kid you not, it never stopped raining all afternoon. We got back, we had about half an hour's break where we decided, right, let's go get something to eat and stuff. We come back and it didn't stop again, and it didn't stop all night. It's just, look at it, it's just absolutely horrendous. It's, for a BMW event, it's pretty poor. So I would come to another one, but I would certainly be more prepared. So what have you made of the event? You enjoyed it, Julian?
Enjoyed the challenge part of it.
Yeah.
Not the camping part of it.
It's been a bit wet, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got the tent there. And have you found it, Dave? Loved it? Living the dream?
You know, like it's one of them Marmite moments where you love and hate it. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the end in the side of I've been living in hell for the last 2 nights.
Yeah, gonna get back and...
But a wet one at that.
Yeah, it's been wet, certainly been wet.
Wet and muggy.
Yeah, so yeah. I'm just gonna just walk you over here. Look at this, it's just, I just can't believe it. It sounds like I'm moaning, which I am moaning, but for a BMW event I expected a little bit more class. There's better private events, but look at this. It's like, it's just water fucking everywhere. Well, yeah, So I'm packed up. I'm just going to give Dave a lift now.
Apparently this is a new part that has been done in the last couple of years, and they still can't get it level.
Yeah. So I say I'm going to cut you short. It's been an experience. We will be back, but I think we'll either be B&B in it, or spent some serious money and bought a camper van, or we'll be getting a fucking lot better tent, because it's just been, like I say, it's been horrendous. So we cut the day short and we're heading home now in a minute. So yeah, if you like the video, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and watch out for the next one. Take care, see you now, bye bye.